Hello dear users. In this video, we will guide you on how to upload a product or a creative for CTWA ads. Start by clicking on Add New Product or Add New Creative. Then proceed to upload images from your drive. Select the file that you wish to upload. It's important to note that you should upload a file in a 1:1 ratio. Otherwise, a blocker will appear here. Once your file is ready to be uploaded, click on Continue. At this point, our AI begins generating content for your product. Your product name will automatically populate, and you have the option to edit it. You can also enter the price, but this step is entirely optional. Next, the description for your uploaded product will be pre-filled. You can add to this. In a similar manner, you can upload a creative as well. And when you click on Save, your product or creative will be successfully uploaded. You can verify your uploaded product in the dashboard where the price and details will be filled. Additionally, you can choose from the filters available here. If you wish to see only products or only creatives, you can make that selection. Now you'll be able to see only the products you have uploaded. If you want to delete any uploaded product, simply select the product and click on Delete. Your product will get deleted. So that's all about how to add a product or creative for your CTWA ads. Thank you for watching.